Hey, are you earn money online and confused how to start? Today I want to tell you about one of the best platform. In this video, I will show you one of the best earning site. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is yazing? Yazing is a new platform that allows you to quickly win the highest cash rewards by convincing others to make online purchases from well-known brands. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. How does it function? Yazing makes it easy to save and make money. 1. Get paid to go shopping. Yazing offers current sales and discount codes for the biggest brands and retailers, as well as cashback incentives for anything you purchase online. 2. Get paid to promote. Yazing also pays you cash prizes when you share a brand's offer or coupon page with others, and your popularity results in sales. 3. Get paid right away. Yazing transfers your money to your PayPal account as soon as we receive payment from the brands and stores. There are no minimums and no hassles. If you don't know what is PayPal, check out the I button. I make a tutorial on them, and if you want to create an account, on the PayPal link in the description box. Let's start. How yazing helps affiliate marketers and is beneficial to everyone. Affiliate marketing, also known as success marketing, seems to be straightforward on the surface. Affiliate partners are paid a percentage of any sale or lead produced by their online promotional activity. Anyone may enter these affiliate programs to quickly monetize their online content and influence while still getting paid to promote any brand. You can find over 3,000 plus brands here, and if you want to earn money, you can promote them and earn cash rewards. You can choose from a variety of categories, such as electronic, food and gourmet. 2. Wearables. 3. Beauty and health. 4. Presentations. 5. Apparel and clothing. 6. Monetary. 7. Electronics for consumers. And a lot more. Begin earning money with this website. There are many ways to win them, including dealing with top brands, embedding their coupon code on your site or blog, or promoting them through advertising and cash incentives. I hope you all like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Leave a comment what your opinion regarding this site. Do not forget to share. Good luck.